Hi folks, today I am preparing French beans sabji. It's very easy and delicious recipe and it's loaded with health benefits also. So without any delay, let's start. Here I am taking 200 gram of French beans. I have washed and cut it and 1 cup of soaked chana dal. I have soaked it overnight and here I have taken and cut the French beans. In a kadhai, heat the oil till aroma came. Then add cumin seeds, grated ginger, chopped garlic, few green chillies and saute for a while. Add chopped onion and saute till it becomes translucent. Right? Now see, I have Asafoetida. It's very strong. So here I am adding a pinch of Asafoetida. It's very essential because the legume family has gas problem. So you have to take along with the legume family recipe like dalein, beans. Here I am adding soaked chana dal. Saute it for 30 seconds and add salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chilli powder. Right? Now saute it until fragrant. So here I have sauteed for 1 minute and now I will add 1 cup of water. See? So all is mixed now and now I will cover it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes till it becomes tender at the low heat. So 5 minutes has passed and see, oil has releasing and water has evaporated and our chana has cooked. Now at this stage I am adding French beans and cook for a while by covering it. See, it becomes tender. Now again I will mix thoroughly and cover to cook for 5 to 6 minutes until it perfectly soft. See, sabji has become perfectly cooked. So at this stage I am giving more color to my recipe. So I am adding chopped tomato. So it become more healthier because colorful food very essential to our health. Now I will mix it and cook for a while after covering it. See, after 2 minutes, a delicious, full of aroma and full of colors. So here I am adding some more salt and see, mix it well. And here my favorite cilantro, a handful of cilantro or green coriander leaves I am adding here, and very nutritious, loaded with health benefits and delicious French bean sabji is ready now. You can serve it with roti or paratha or you can take it as well. So try it in your kitchen today and write back to me. I am sure it will come out very perfectly. So if you are here till now, please do like my videos. It will make my day. Thanks for watching.